Hello, I want to show you the demonstration of the code editor feature, which I would call block marking or block highlighting. I've been working on this project for several weeks. Everything started when I was trying to navigate into a large code, trying to understand the structure quickly, and I thought that marking the certain blocks with frames would be very helpful to visually analyze any code. The only software I could find in the internet with this kind of functionality is BlueJ. It's a Java editor. It has interesting frame highlighting feature called scope highlighting, but I think it highlights some unnecessary frames, and also I think that the way it sets widths and colors of the frames is not very visually friendly. I could not find any VSCode extension with block marking, so I thought, why not make it myself? But before that, I decided to build the feature with react.js as a demonstration, because learning VSCode extension API would take more time, I guess. Before that, I just wanted to make sure that my idea is good enough to dedicate my hard work into it. So here is the Codesandbox. We have depth, syntax. This is just a syntax highlighter package. Opening and closing indicators and code examples. Let's try depth 0. Let's set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also disable tag indicators, so we only have curly braces. We can also disable this one, or just keep this one. This frame is not based on this curly brace. This frame is based on these tags. 0, 2, 4, 5. Let's play with the options. If we write anything after the curly brace, it knows what we are doing. If we write anything here, the algorithm also knows how to create the frame. These frames are just HTML divs with background colors. This one here, let's try SCSS. Syntax SCSS, and here we go. Depth 2, cool. Depth 4. Let's try Python code. Now, for Python language, I really didn't have much time for making algorithm, because it uses indentation and not specific character indicators. So I just decided to place some zero space characters here and here and here, so the algorithm knows where is the starting point, where is the ending point. So this is just pseudo opening closing indicators. Anyway, this works the same way. You can try this one, or this one. Try this one. And it works. The algorithm is not really optimized, but I think it's fast enough for demonstration purposes.